Buildings may look solid and permanent, but in reality every structure moves. Sometimes that movement is small and harmless, other times it can signal a potential problem. That's where movement monitoring surveys come in. A movement monitoring survey is a specialist process used to measure and track how a building or structure shifts over time. Using high-precision surveying equipment, we record the exact position of specific points on a structure at regular intervals. By comparing these readings over days, weeks or months, we can detect even the smallest changes. We can measure precise positions, monitor over time, detect subtle changes. Movement can happen for many reasons. Nearby construction works, basement excavations, tunnelling, ground settlement, structural alterations or even natural temperature changes can all cause a building to shift. In many cases this movement is expected and controlled, but without proper monitoring it's impossible to know whether it remains within safe limits. The process begins by installing small discrete monitoring points on key parts of the structure. We then use precision total stations and laser surveying equipment to measure the exact position of each point. These measurements are repeated at agreed intervals, which could be daily, weekly or continuous depending on the project requirements. The data is then carefully analysed to identify any horizontal or vertical movement. What makes movement monitoring so valuable is not just the measurements themselves, but the insight they provide. Clear reporting allows engineers, contractors and project managers to see trends developing in real time. If movement exceeds predefined thresholds, action can be taken quickly to prevent damage or delay. Movement monitoring surveys are commonly used on construction sites where new works are taking place close to existing buildings. They're also essential for protecting historic structures, monitoring retaining walls, bridges, facades, and any environment where stability is critical. At Laser Surveys, movement monitoring is carried out with accuracy, reliability, and clear communication at every stage. Our goal is simple: to provide precise data you can trust, helping you manage risk, protect assets, and keep your project running smoothly. If you'd like to learn more about how movement monitoring surveys can support your project, get in touch with our team today.